If you think Malaysian companies can't produce a good smartphone, then you need to change that mentality. Because today we have the Ninetology U9R1 with us. I'm Warren from KL Gadget Guy. Let's do the unboxing of the U9R1 and take a first look of how the phone looks like. Let's check it out. Okay guys, so this is the box of the Ninetology U9R1. It looks pretty much the same as the X1, Z1 and Z1 Plus. So this is the U9 series, model is R1 from Ninetology. So on the front here it says Magnific Redefined, and here's some overview of the phone. There's a 1.2 GHz quad-core processor, 4.3 QHD IPS, sleek and slim design, and only a 7.8mm stick. It has an 8 megapixel camera and a 2 megapixel front-facing camera. Alright, so let's turn over to the back of the phone. Here are some serial numbers and barcodes. Alright, so on the back we have a more detailed specification sheet over here. So it operates on GSM dual band networks 900-1800 MHz and WCDMA 900-2100 MHz. I'm not sure if it supports HSPA+. Right, so first, as for the CPU, it is running on a Qualcomm Snapdragon 200 1.2 GHz quad-core processor. It runs on Android 4.1 Jelly Bean, and display is 4.3-inch QHD IPS display. It has OGS and OCA. I'm not sure what are these two things. And we have 4 GB of ROM and 1 GB of memory, 1 GB RAM, and it supports external storage up to 32 GB. The camera, the primary is 8 megapixel, secondary is 2 megapixel, and connectivity we have GPS, AGPS, Wi-Fi, FM, and Bluetooth. The battery included in the U9R1 is a 1600 mAh battery. Alright, so there's also a QR code over here which should point you to the Ninetology U9 homepage. Alright, so let's take out the phone. Let's put this little green Android guy away, and we're going to leave the cover up and take out the phone. Alright, there comes out the phone. Let's put the box away, and this is the Ninetology U9R1. So let's put this aside and take a look at the accessories included inside the box. So we are going to open this compartment, which is called the accessories compartment, and let's see what's inside. So it's a very nice packaging over here, and we like it very much. It's not compact, it's big, it looks high class. Right, so here we have, this is a 3-pin charger, right, USB charger, and we have headphones over here. So the headphones are in-ears, very nice. We hope that the sound quality is nice as well. So let's put these two aside, and we have our micro USB cable here as well, which is a standard accessory. Right, so put this aside as well, and we're going to open this compartment. Alright, there are some interesting accessories over here. So these are some documentations, the quick start guide, and the warranty card. Right, let's put this aside and let's take a look at the accessories included. Alright, Ninetology includes a screen protector, very nice. Very rare smartphone manufacturers do offer screen protectors out of the box, which means you don't need to hunt for one. So let's put this aside as well. And wow, Ninetology gives us, gives users of the U9R1 a case for the U9R1, which is very good. We don't need to hunt for accessories of the U9R1 if we buy this phone. So let's take a look at the casing. I'm going to open it up. I'm not sure how. It should be, yeah, it should be this way. Let's open it, and we are going to take out the casing. Alright, so this case, the casing is a plastic casing, and it's transparent, so I believe it should be prone to scratches over here. Alright, so it's kind of nice of Ninetology to include a casing. However, this casing might scratch in the long term. So let's put all the boxes aside, and we are going to take a look of an overview of the accessories. Alright, so we are going to put the case over here, and the screen protector, manuals and warranty card. This is the U9R1, the micro USB cable, the headphones, and the charger. So this is what you get in the package of the Ninetology U9R1, very fully loaded. Now let's take a look around the Ninetology U9R1, and first of all I'm going to take it out of this plastic. I'm going to lift out this lid over here, and I'm going to take out the phone very easily. See, it comes off. So don't destroy the plastic. This is a recycle concept phone. Don't destroy plastic. Right, so let's put this away and let's take a look around the phone. So on the front here we have a 2 megapixel front facing camera, and under here there should be 3 capacitive buttons which we are not able to see. And on the left side of the phone we get to see the volume rocker, and on the right there's a power button over here. There's no camera shutter key unfortunately. Bottom we have a microphone over here, and on the top there's the 3.5mm headphone jack and the micro USB port. And if we turn to the back, this is the 8 megapixel rear camera and with LED flash. There's the Ninetology U9 logo, it's very much hidden, and here are the speakers. So let's pop up the casing and see what's the internals. So I'm gonna open the lid just like this, put in my fingernails, and there it comes up. So the casing of course is not as flexible as Samsung, so don't ever twist the casing, and it really feels good. So let's put this aside and notice that the battery is right here, but we don't know why the battery is a non-removable battery. That is very weird. Ninetology doesn't allow you to take the battery out of the U9R1, which is very weird, because it seems that you can just remove the battery easily. Alright, so this is the 1600 mAh battery, non-replaceable, as it says non-removable. Alright, so there are 2 micro SIM slots. This is a dual SIM smartphone, right? And this is the micro SD slot. That's pretty much about the back, and we are going to pop the cover back in. Just pop back in, and we are going to turn on the phone. 1, 2, 3. Boom. The vibration is there. And there's the 9 logo, very red, and there's the Ninetology word. Let's wait for the phone to start up. It shouldn't take too long. Okay, the phone starts up. The boot animation comes in around like say 15 seconds, which is quite good. And the phone should boot up shortly. Alright, there's the phone. Alright, it seems that this phone has been set up, right? So it doesn't need to go through the wizard, which is, obviously you should get a wizard when you start up the phone. Alright, so this is the Ninetology U9R1. It's pretty laggy at the moment because it should be loading something in the background. So this is the U9R1, and I'm Warren from KL Gadget Guy. So stay tuned for the full review of the U9R1 and subscribe to our YouTube channel at KL Gadget Guy. Do also follow us on Twitter and like us at Facebook at KL Gadget Guy. I'll see you next time in our next gadget review or gadget unboxing. That's it for now.